Age calculation. In this video, we will see how to calculate age in Excel. And here we have 33 employees' date of birth, for which we need to calculate the age. For this, here is a formula is equal to DATEDIF, open the bracket, and select the cell, date of birth cell, comma, and today we need to know what is the age. So today, open the bracket, close it, and then how many years we want to know. So open the quotes and mention it as y and close it, and then close the bracket. So now the age of the particular employee has been displayed, and for the rest you can just use autofill function. So within a minute we can calculate for n number of employees, and if you need to mention as 22 years, then in the same formula we need to do a minor modification where after closing the bracket we need to use ampersand symbol, and then open the quotes and mention it as YRS, close the quotes and click enter. See, now you have got it, 22 years. And again you can use autofill function to fill for the rest of the employees. Fine, this is useful. Thank you so much.